showing you how to use an app called Paint 3D. You can just search it up on the windows here. If you don't know how to get it, it's right here. And it's really easy. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be showing you one of the sections in the toolbar. There's going to be different videos for each one, so you can check out those when I post them. So I'm going to search Paint, not Paint, it's Paint 3D, this one, not Paint, just Paint 3D. I'm going to press it. And if you accidentally did something wrong, just press the X and yeah. Okay, see these different sections? I'll be showing you the first one, and in other videos I'll be showing you this one, and all the others. Okay, the first thing you can do here is there's different kinds of drawing tools. There's lots of different kinds. I'm going to start with marker. So marker, you can draw like this. That's marker, but you can make it thicker if you wanted to. And then, or lighter. That's what you can do. I'm just going to do Control Z to delete these. That's how you do it. And then this is a calligraphy pen. It's a different kind of tool, and it's like a little bit thinner. It's just how it is. You could maybe use it for cursive. I think I would like it. And I'm just going to select this all by doing this and press delete. And then you can use the oil brush. It's pretty thick and it looks pretty cool. It's so cool. You can make like a painting on here. See that? And I'm just going to select this and delete it. Delete. And then this is watercolor brush. It's like a different paintbrush. And it's more like water kind of, but different colors, like that. And I'm just gonna select it and delete it. And then this is a pixel pen. You just draw. It's different from the other one because it stays the same kind of thickness or thinness the whole time, but the other one doesn't. And then here's the pencil. The pencil, I don't really like to use it. It's kind of light. This is like a color pencil. And then the eraser, there's not really much to say on this one. You just erase. And you can make the thickness way better to erase more at one time. Like that. And then this is the crayon. And the eraser didn't have the other one because there's no lighter or darker. So this is the crayon, and this is the spray can. It's like a spray can that you can spray. I don't really like this one because it's really light. And then before I move on to this one, I'm going to draw, for example, a circle, and I wanted to fill this in. I just press inside it and it fills in. That's how you do it. And here, what if I forgot which color if I were doing so many different colors. I chose red, I chose red, and then purple, and then blue, and I forgot, for example, which one is this kind. I can go here, it shows which one, and I press it, and then it went back to the same color. And then I can start drawing with that color without even knowing. I go there and I press it and it works. But I can make it darker if I wanted. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'm just gonna delete this all. And if you wanted to do your custom color, like you wanted to choose your own color, you go here to custom. And then you just press the plus sign. I already chose one. And then you can, maybe there's some kind of specific number, you can just type that in, but I'm not going to type it. Or you could do it like, this is the dark, this is light, and this is just the color. So you can go here, like that. See, if I go to the top, it's really light, and I could do light blue or all these lights. And I can do cancel or OK. OK saves it right here, cancel, you just cancel. And then here, custom. This is different kinds, like you can pick make one here. And then, let's see, sorry. And then you can do like, wait a sec, 1 minute. I choose it here, and I do Matty. It's different, kinda. And that's how you do it. I'm also gonna show you one more column right now. It's here. You can select, like if I draw this, and I don't want to erase the whole thing, I can just select it and press delete. Also, here's crop, like if I drew a big square and I didn't want this to be inside, I can do crop, and then I can do, like if I only wanted this to be on here, I can do that. Or I only wanted the square to be on here, like I can do that. That's how you do it. And then I can do here, done or cancel. I'm gonna do done. And then this is all it shows. But I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna do undo. And then I'm just gonna, here's magical set. It's basically the same thing as crop, kinda. And you see next. And then you can say remove, like it removes this part, or you can say add, it adds this part. And it's just more advanced than the other one. It's pretty like cooler. Ooh, look at that. See? That's basically what it is. It's way cooler than the other one. I'm just gonna delete it now. And the last thing is what if I wanted to see this drawing in 3D view. I just press here and it's in 3D view. I zoom in, zoom out, and yeah, that's it for today. You can check out my other videos of other things when I post them. Bye.